Learn English. Welcome to English 8K Vocabulary. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Thursday, February 13th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. If you have a baby girl, it is a daughter. But if it is a boy, correct. And number 2 means to not be clean. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer has a son. Jennifer has a son. Son. S-O-N. A baby girl is a daughter. A baby boy is a son. Now we can make a flashcard for son. Please write son up here in the top left corner. S-O-N. Down here in the bottom left corner, F-A-M-1. This means family, level 1. Over here, the number 17 out of 19. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Can you do it? Very good. Son. What about you? Do you have children? Let me know in the comments. Now, word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The truck is dirty. The truck is dirty. Dirty. Did you get it right? The truck is not clean. It is covered with mud. Now we can make a flashcard for dirty and remember it forever. We also say this very much, to get dirty. This means to become dirty. Please write the basic form up here in the top left corner. Be dirty. We use be because it is an adjective. Down here in this corner, A1. This means adjective, level 1. Over here, the number 21 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Can you do it by yourself? Very good. Dirty. Game over. That was lots of fun. A baby girl is a daughter. A baby boy is a... Very good. How do you spell it? Oh, very good. Now, are you clean or dirty? Correct. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Can you say number 1? Some tears. Very nice. This is when you cry. The tears are on your face. Number 2 is the opposite of be light. when the sun is not shining at night. Dark, very good. And the last one, to do something super. For example, she drives super fast. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.